Hey gang, welcome back to another episode of Flint Hill Catfishing. This is Brian, and as you can see, I'm doing the intro from the car today. It's raining outside, but I'm hoping the catfish are biting, so I'll see you on the river. Stick with me. Alright gang, it's pretty wet out here, but I'm crazy, whatever. Can't help myself. Alright guys, we use some cut bait again, using perch. I'm gonna do a big piece. Where's the big old guy? That'll work. I'm gonna do a big fat piece on one rod and then do a small head on the other rod. They seem to like the heads the other day, so I'm gonna try that again, and then if I don't get a bite after a while, I'll throw a body section on one of them. So you got a big head there, and I'm gonna do a smaller head on the other one like so. Now this is precision filleting right here, so take note everybody if you need a little help learning how to cut bait up. Yeah, so I'm using a little bigger piece of bait on this guy, clearly. Here we go. That's money if that's what they like today and if they're biting. Got a 8-foot ugly stick tiger here, medium light action. And this reel, as you can tell, needs a little servicing. It makes some really cool sounds when I cast it. Sounds like a skill saw. This is tricky. If you turn away and don't look at the rod for like 5 minutes, they know it and they bite. For some reason, I don't get that. I'm sure all you can relate. Pick a sandwich up and fish start biting. It's weird. You know, it really doesn't matter sometimes if you're on good structure and you're there on the right day and fish are there. If they're not feeding, they ain't gonna bite nothing. So that's part of fishing. Look at him, playing with it again. Come on. There he is. All right there. I don't think he's a monster, but it is a fish, and I haven't been there that long. In fact, I think he's small because that's probably just anyone's been tapping it, but it's hard to tell in the current. Stay out of those trees. Coming straight towards me. I don't know, man. It's so hard to tell in this current what size it is. I think it's a good fish, I think. They all feel big out in the current. Oh yeah, that's a pretty decent fish. Yeah, it's like 12, 15 maybe. Right. It's spicy now. Alright. Hey, that's a good fish. Oh, he's solid 15, I think. Oh yeah. That's a good fish, y'all. Yeah. So, good 15-pound blue, something like that. Put up a good fight. Nice big head on him. Catfishing in the rain, baby. What's up, YouTube? All right, guys, let's let him go. There he goes. There he is again. Hooked up that time. Swimming right towards me there for a minute. Feels like a small fish, but I really can't tell because he's coming at me. Yeah, it's a small one. He's small, but I will take him. It's a fish. All right. Come here, pal. That must have been what it was all along. The small one's out there picking at it. Little boy blue. Come here, partner. I don't want to get your whisker. All right. There he is, folks. It's a little guy. Let's throw him back. Go get big. This is a call out to my buddy Nathan Gaulden. Hey Nathan, this next clip is for you. You called it, said it would happen one day. So here it is, bro. You'll get a good laugh out of this.
A few minutes later.
It's really nasty out here today, but the rain has actually backed off a little bit, which is good. So it's not pouring on me anymore. I'd rather be fishing dry. Had some good bites so far. Missed a couple fish, but we'll see. I'll hang in there and see if we get another bite. There he is. Got him. All right. Fish on. Fish number 3. Little fish. Come here. Alrighty. I guess this one wanted that big old chunk of body cut bait there. Another blue. Alright, it's a pretty fish. Nothing wrong with that. Let's put him back. Hey guys, thanks for coming with me today. Got 3 blue cats in about 2 hours. None of them are monsters, but it wasn't a bad day. A little cold, a little rainy, but I knew that when I headed out in the rain, so it's all good. Anyway, join me on the next one. This is Brian with Flint Hill Catfishing. Be sure to like and subscribe. Hit that notifications bell if you want to receive notifications when I upload videos. Thanks, guys. See you on the next one.